Welcome back to Alice Customs Project Car TV. I'm back from the paint shop with the International Scout, and this thing is beautiful. Now you can see it's not assembled because we still have to run all our wiring. We've got a little bit of plumbing to run, and then as we're doing that and get stuff done, we'll start bolting everything together. Painter still has a few items. A couple of them are done. I just wasn't able to pick them up. I didn't have anywhere to put them. A couple of the others are still getting prepped and getting painted black, so those will all be done here real soon. Anyway, just thought you guys would like to see it before we push it into the garage here. I'm putting it up at the house because I'm still working on the C10 down in the other shop, and I still got some metal work to do on the frame and a little bit to do on the bed because it's been busy today. Alright, well, you can see this is where it's going to be sitting for the next probably month anyway, just till I get some stuff down in the shop done where I'm not putting grinding dust and sparks against this really nice paint. Back behind me you can see the fenders. They're all finished up. The hood's behind it. Inner fenders are against the wall, kind of over here, the front inner fenders. So everything that has been brought back is done. With the exception of I still need to pull this pedal box out and respray that or spray that, and I need to go through a few of the other parts, the dash, steering column, and some other stuff that just needs to be freshened up. So it's all here. Next thing up though is I'll be getting the wiring in and kind of putting it together as I go. So get the wiring ready, put the inner fenders up front on, go ahead and get all that stuff done, put the fenders on, then the SS doors can go on. The full doors that will go with the top have not, one of them's been body work, the other one hadn't even been touched yet. So it'll be open top SS doors, and that's the way I want it, at least for now. Tailgate's in the back seat of the truck, so I'll be getting that out. Got to set it on the rack, and then that's it. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Stay tuned for updates on the Scout. It's looking sharp.